You know those lawyers that you see all over the billboards? Don't hire any one of those guys to be or gals to be your lawyer. So big name law firms don't care about you. At the end of the day, you're more of a number. You're a cog in the wheel. A lot of people won't even bother to learn your name or get to know you as a person. But at the end of the day, it's a contribution to a bigger system, and it's a lot harder to find growth in some of those places just because you're limited in your ceiling and what they're going to allow you to achieve. You're almost never speaking to the person who's on the billboard, not to mention you may switch attorneys 3 or 4 times throughout the life of your case. And I know that can be extremely frustrating for clients. I would always try and tell clients, as far as I'm concerned, I'm the end of the line. I'm the last person that you're going to deal with because I want to see your case through. And if it needs to go to a trial, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But I don't plan on going anywhere. And I really want to connect with that person. I want to develop trust with them. And it's very hard to do that if they feel like they're constantly being swapped around. And it's actually rare that any client at one of those bigger firms speaks directly to one of the partners or the people that they see in the advertising. And if they do, it's very short lived. So even at those bigger firms, even if they're well staffed, even if they have plenty of lawyers, the idea of running a business, especially in this field, is that you're hitting your employees, your attorneys with 100% or more capacity, meaning you're giving them more than they can handle so that they're never not working or they never have nothing to do. So what you see a lot at those bigger firms is that the volume that they're dealing with on an attorney by attorney basis is usually more than that attorney can handle. So if you're getting a lot of attention, it's probably because you have the strongest case in their caseload. If you're not getting much attention, well, you probably feel like most of their case list.